Yo, 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 check my Hungry Shark Evolution game. Look at my currency. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Hungry Shark Evolution modded version. Unlimited money, guys. I don't even know what that would enable me to do, but I guess it's time to find out. Okay, I'm pressing on the money, but nothing's happening. I don't play this game, so I don't know. Here's some goals. How do I make my shark better? I don't know, but anyway, guys, I got unlimited currency, as you can see, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this Hungry Shark Evolution hack for iOS and Android. So it is super insane, guys. Your shark is also invincible, from what I remember. You probably also get a God mode. So the money thing is pretty wild, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it, so let's get straight into the video. I'm pretty sure, like, when you close this game, it, like, gives you a new run the next time. So let's go to tweakmod.com. This is where we're going to download the Hungry Shark Evolution hack. We're going to type in Hungry, press install. There you go. So before it downloads, you may see something come up telling you that you have to download missing files from the App Store, completely free, no jailbreak needed. So let's just wait for this to download, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So here we go. All right, so it's coming up now. And then we should see the missing files page, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's fairly easy. So here we go. So coming up. Ooh. All right, so now it's at the end, guys. So we're going to see the missing files page. So what we got to do is download 2 of the apps. There's all these apps here. Follow instructions. This one says reach level 10, the travel town. So just press on it, press continue. Brings you to the store, and then you just download it, open it, and play 10 levels. It's not very hard. So that's the one I would actually recommend for most people because it's pretty easy. But yeah, so be sure to try it out. See you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So as you can see, you just gotta play this and reach level 10. But yeah, you get the Hungry Shark Evolution hack after you do this. That's crazy, bro. Free money. So yeah, be sure to try this out if this is your type of game. My shark like died or something. Why is he turning red? Oh, is it like daytime or something? I don't know. There's a guy up there. But yeah, look at the money, bro. That's insane. You know what? Maybe my shark gets better if I eat more people. But I feel like there should be a shop or something. But regardless, you get unlimited money, so it's pretty wild. But let's just go to the settings here and see. So yeah, there appears to be no way to get any sort of shop to come up. But I guess I don't really care. Complete all other goals to unlock. Alright, so yeah, that's how to get the Hungry Shark Evolution hack. If you're more skilled than me and there is a store, well, now you can buy everything. I do know there is a shark page, though, because I've seen it. But I don't know where it is.